little 4x4.
You know, when stuck in traffic, you know.
The first ones to ever have the Honda truck toy.
Honda truck toy, you know.
That shit does look like a little Honda truck.
I think I don't know what it is. Oh, I think it's like an F-150, man.
Yeah. About to catch fucking the 15.
It's got batteries and shit.
Hopefully that guy's mom don't hit him.
What are we gonna go look at?
A fucking little Prius. 1990 Prius.
You know, a big wheel, nothing big.
That shit did look like a big wheel. The wing? Hey, but that wing makes it look good. Low key.
So we just finished looking at other RSX, but it was pretty garbage. So we're gonna go all the way to
pretty much just bang the gears.
San Bernardino. Yeah, I just fucked up his car real quick.
The guy's clutch. What was left of it?
What was left of it? He said it had a year in it, but it was a lie.
Look at this wrap. That's nice.
I don't think that's a wrap, is that?
Yeah, that's a wrap. No way, that's paint.
I know they used to paint those. Oh yeah, that's a wrap.
That's a lot of detail.
I mean, that's cool, I guess, if that's what you're into. You want your shit to look like you got hit by a Velociraptor? Cool.
Traffic!
On the way back is gonna be great. So you better hope that clutch is good.
Am I driving back or am I burning the clutch back?
You wanna burn the clutch?
Yo. Let's see if we can see this nigga.
He got a full headset.
Oh, shit. Fucking guy. We're in the fucking ghetto, dog.
The nigga playing Fortnite.
For real, dude.
Where the fuck you taking me, bro?
Fuck, dog.
Look, that truck's for sale. You wanna buy a truck?
Might as well just buy that shit, huh?
Fuck. Bro, we in the
ghetto, dog.
Bro, we in the slums.
My sister lives like barely on the other side, which is the nicer place. Barely though, she barely got away.
Barely got away, dude. And she went all the way over here, bro.
It's crazy.
She should just went to Pomona, nigga.
Yeah. Oh yeah, dog. We gotta lowball this.
We gotta lowball him, bro. Guys,
need 2,800.
Guys, this guy do not need no. He need 1,500.
He need 1,500. Pay his rent.
3 weeks later.
Round 2? Time to go see round 2?
No, I know. I didn't even film.
Fuck Kyle.
For the record,
Fuck Kyle.
No.
Not MMA Kyle. Body cool Kyle.
His Kyle.
Fuck Kyle.
So we went all the way to Oceanside to go look at a S2000.
Man.
I didn't film it because I thought we were gonna get it and I was just gonna film it afterwards, you know. But yeah, we got there and then like she had already someone looking at the car and then someone else arrived after us. She tried having like a bidding war or whatever and pretty rude. Like, so we just drove like an hour and a half, almost 2 hours.
Get your shit together, fucking sellers. Made us drive an hour and 45 minutes.
Just for us to be like, all right, well, these people are already looking at it and they're gonna buy it. So like, yeah, just wasted our time. So now we're gonna head out all the way to San Bernardino from Oceanside, all the way to San Bernardino to go look at an Acura RSX Type S for my boy.
Downgrading, but
it's not an S2000, but you know,
it's a good
beater project. We just
sticks. So.
And he needs to learn how to drive stick shift, so I think it would have been better to mess up the RSX than it is to mess up the S2000. Even though I wanted to low-key buy it off of him after he was done playing with it. So, bummer. Had a lot of miles. It had 266,000 miles, but she was the original owner, so.
She knew what the fuck she was
and it was clean. Like, it was a clean car, but yeah, didn't happen, you know. It is what it is. So we're gonna head out an hour and a half or an hour to San Bernardino. Go look at a car, and hopefully it's not trash. And hopefully we don't fucking crash.
My bad. Oh shit.
Doesn't help that it's raining. It never rains in SoCal.
I know, right?
But it does when we want to go look at a car. And then, you know, This was a convertible, so it wouldn't have been good to drive in the rain.
And I don't have a garage. Well, I do have a garage, but
you could have kept that at my house. It's cool, bro. And then it would have just been mine, you know. Turned into my car.
Or that.
Slowly.
Dreams of fucking the orange bitch like Ryan. When I saw that ass on the front of that king,
fucking Google Maps, man.
She loved gangsters, love nasty.
Google Maps took us on a toll road, and so now he has to pay for the toll.
Probably like $40 ticket. Fucking that. Fuck you. Yes, you. Fuck you. You too.
You better get the fucking car. Make it worth it.
How the fuck are we, bro?
I don't know. And we obviously can't take this road back. We gotta take the long way.
Nah, well, we'll take the 210 back.
Bunch of criminals and money in my phone calls. Ay, we okay, we let the A1
So we might have to pay $230 in toll roads.
Merging onto traffic.
Yo, you better really like Acuras.
Just look at their laces. You know careers take off. Just gotta be patient. Mr. One.
I would have been heated as fuck, nigga.
We're at some random ass Dollar General or something.
Nigga better not jump us, nigga.
They're gonna jump you and take your money.
Separate this shit. Bullshit.
So how's the RSX, man?
Piece of fucking shit, man.
Didn't even film it as well. I don't know why I never film it, just cause like it's kind of awkward when you don't know the person and like you're trying to buy something off of them and all of a sudden you whip out a camera and they're like,
Fuck that.
so no camera, plus the car is a piece of shit, waste of time. He has to pay for a toll road now, like
Forgot about that piece of shit.
he's gotta pay for a toll road.
my God.
He's filled up his gas tank twice already. We gotta go get gas in a little bit too. All bad.
Yeah, it wasn't our fucking day.
Wasn't our day.
The best car that we could have ever probably fucking got. Slipped through our
Yep,
hands.
that 2000 slipped through our fingers because of his coworker Kyle.
Fucking Kyle, man.
Yo, don't trust no Kyles.
Fucking dick, man. Fuck.
Yeah, that was bad. So now we got
Back
like an
home.
hour or so
48,
drive.
45 minutes.
Oh, now 45 minutes. My bad.
But still fucking closer.
Yo, man, we've been on the road since 11. It is about to be 5.
No fucking car.
At least I gotta drive one car today. And it wasn't even for that much. We drove like
One block, not even a block.
not even a block, and I turned around and I was like,
That's a piece of shit.
piece of shit. He didn't even want to let us drive it. I was like, yo, bro, like, this is not a race car or anything. Like, I used to do a lot of this. Like, why are you tripping? And he's like, oh, I ain't got no insurance.
Piece of shit ass clutch, and he just
Yeah, he just replaced it 2,000 miles ago, and it doesn't even grab. And why you gonna lie to me, bro? Like, I'm gonna feel it. Yeah, so now we got a
I don't think
long
off the
drive.
market, dog. Fuck that. I'm just gonna probably get a new car.
We gotta buy that Corvette.
Yeah. Fuck it. I'm gonna waste Kyle's money. Fuck you, Kyle.
Yeah, why you making us
Dog.
I bet you didn't even get laid, bro. Wasn't even worth
Probably
it.
did it.
Damn, Kyle. Come on, you know Kyle don't get laid. So at least it's not raining. At least it's not raining. It's gonna be raining in LP though, or West Covina. For sure.
Boy, you go look at a DE, nigga. It's not even worth it. Hey.
Listen to Power 106 anywhere with the Power 106 app. Hip Hop 24/7 on your phone. Listen to it on iPhones, Droids, any.
2 hours later.
Another one. Another failure we're not gonna get. I was like, another failure we're not gonna buy. We're just here wasting time. Oh, it doesn't work. It's broken.
What? A failure? What? That's still
Another failure. We're not even gonna buy.
You dick.
See if there's any codes. There's no codes, but the monitors aren't ready.
So with that white one, that's just good, right? You said?
It's ready, but I mean, it's up to you, nigga. You want to just wait and get the 2-door?
No, ¿sí tenían el otro o no? No figuró.
No Figueroa? Pretty funny.
Fucking.
Where are we, dude? This hood doesn't work. Yeah, I know. I was like, the hood don't stay up, so I gotta hold it.